Hey guys, so in this video we're going to address the misfire of Project Lightning bug. We already did a compression test. We know all four cylinders are good at 120 to 130 psi. We know the plugs are kind of old, so we're going to throw fresh ones in while we're doing that. And we're going to replace the injectors. On these cars, they have two different injectors. They've got the green ones for cylinders 1 and 2, and then purple for 3 and 4. I'm not sure they really do matter. I know that's what they require. Remans are about $50 a piece versus buying new ones that are almost $200 a piece. So I'm going to show you guys what we do here. It's a quick video, probably all of 30 minutes worth of work to replace the injectors. So here we go. So on Project Lightning bug, we had a number 3 cylinder getting soaked, and you guys can see down in here. I can't tell with the camera but the light. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that hold the fuel rail on. Now these have two different injectors. 1 and 2 use a green injector. 3 and 4 use a purple injector. So we're going to do the bolts. They're 12mm bolts. There's 4 of them. All the electrical's already out of the way. And then we're going to use some reman injectors in here to see if that helps our misfire. That being said, if you guys don't have Vaseline like it's common use for the injectors, you guys can use some clean engine oil as a lubricant also. Let me get these bolts out and we'll show you guys what we're working with. Alright, on our test drive, done a couple miles already. I've got no check engine lights. Car's got plenty of pep, so I'll say the fuel injectors were the fix, even though I threw plugs at it too. Things peppy for a 4-cylinder. Definitely got a trans problem I'll have to look into. If I can find an auto for cheap, we'll go that route. If not, I'll probably go look at doing a 5-speed swap just to make this worth it. So, anyways, we'll call the fuel injector a fix for our misfire on this case, but we got a few more things to work out with it, so we'll keep you posted. Well, the misfire's been fixed. Now we got to go on to the next thing. So thanks for watching, y'all. God bless and have a good day.